I'm going to show you how you can make one of these whirlpool videos using AI, even if you've never made a video before. And if you love AI tools that save time and help you make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Because trust me, if you miss just one step in this process, the video might not work or get rejected. So stay with me till the end. Let's get started. You only need 3 simple tools: Google Veo 3 in flow mode, ChatGPT, and a basic video editor like CAPCUT. On Google Veo, make sure to select flow mode. Sometimes it defaults to Gemini, but Gemini doesn't work well for creating realistic whirlpools. Step 1. Find a sample video of a natural whirlpool, like the one I'm showing right here. Pause at the clearest frame and take a screenshot of that moment. Step 2. Open ChatGPT desktop or web, doesn't matter. Upload your screenshot and type this prompt. Can you analyze this image and generate a Google Veo 3 flow prompt to recreate a similar whirlpool video? That's it. ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt to copy. Step 3. Head back to Google Veo and double check. Even if you think you're on Veo 3, it often loads Veo 2 by default. So manually switch to Veo 3 flow before pasting anything. Step 4. Paste the prompt ChatGPT gave you into the generation box. Click Generate and let the AI work its magic. Here's what I got by following those exact steps. Insert AI-generated whirlpool video preview. Pretty stunning, right? Feels like something from National Geographic W. If you want my free guide on how to monetize these videos and earn passive income, just comment whirlpool below and I'll send it your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I've got lots more AI goodness coming soon, so stay tuned.